Direct Aid Ghana Society, in collaboration with AlBasar International Foundation, provides free cataract eye surgery to the people of OT region and Volta region. Over 8,000 people have been screened so far, 900 surgeries done across the regions. Suleiman Adam, the Human Resource Manager of Direct Aid Ghana, in an interview, gave us a breakdown of the project.
This interventional opportunity from Direct Aid Society presented to the good people of OT and Volta region respectively, specifically in the areas of GASKIYA, Wura, KJB, Dambai, Hohoi, Pando, just to assist those people having eye-related problem. Direct Aid Society is organizing this program annually. So it's like a rotational program where we bring doctors from outside the country. Those are much more versed in those areas of surgery and then operation of eyes problems. So this year we brought them in OT and then Volta region to give this kind of opportunity to our fathers and mothers, brothers and sisters who are having problems with their eyes. So since Monday, they started screening. About 8,000 people have been screened, and then we are expecting to do surgery about 800 to 900 surgeries for the people. We are doing 3 different kinds of surgery, but the particular one is the cataract. Apart from that, we do trichome and then phaco surgery. So this kind of opportunity have been presented to the group of people that we just mentioned free of charge. When they screen and they find out that you have cataract problem, then they book you and then they do surgery free of charge for you. But if your problem is medical problem, like they just give you medical attention. Or if you deserve to be given glasses, they give you glasses free of charge. So Direct Aid Society and AlBasar Foundation are the 2 main organizations who organize this program for the good people of OT region and then Volta region, free of charge. And then, as I said earlier on, is a rotational program. Last year, for instance, we were in Northern region, and then we did some also in Eastern region, particularly in Sawam. So this year, we thought it wise to bring it to OT and then Volta region to assist our brothers here too. And then next year, inshallah, we'll be also moving to a particular region to give those people also opportunity to experience this kind of intervention.
Beneficiaries could not hide their feelings as they expressed their heartfelt feeling and appreciation.
For the past 4 months, in fact, my vision was heavily blurred. I couldn't even identify the face of somebody that is standing directly in front of me. I couldn't see, so I've always been led by my parents and my siblings to even go to the washroom. But as it stands now, after yesterday's surgery, my right eye, which has been operated on, is as good as a brand new sight. On behalf of all the beneficiaries of this program, I stand in to say a big thank you to AlBasar International Foundation and Direct Aid Ghana for the good work they have been doing for all this while, especially for this very one. We want to thank Almighty Allah to bless these 2 foundations with all the needed resources so that they will continue to do good to humanity. Looking at the economic status of the people, especially in this region, seriously, most people could not afford if they have to pay by themselves. And therefore, we're pleading with all philanthropists out there, organizations that believe in saving soul, to come in to sponsor AlBasar International Foundation and Direct Aid Ghana so that they'll continue to do the good work they are doing for humanity.
We thank Direct Aid Ghana for how he came to help us in the way that we too we can see today.
I have this problem for a long time, cataract, and I've been told it's a complicated cataract, which means it has other problems involved. So I've been having treatment at the Rara Hospital here, eye clinic, and they told me that you people were coming. So on Monday I had a phone call asking me to come on Wednesday. So I came, I met your people, they have drilled us properly, we've passed through all things in the normal way until the operation. It's completely free. It's completely free. And for that, On behalf of all the people who came to do this, I extend my greatest appreciation to Direct Aid Ghana and AlBasar Foundation. And I hope this should not be the end. It should be the start of these things that you are doing. We are very, very grateful.
Dr. Farouk, the chief consultant of AlBasar Foundation, also shared their vision in eradicating blindness from the world, especially through their partnership with Direct Aid Ghana.
Cataract is one of the leading causes of blindness, but fortunately it is reversible cause of blindness. We can reverse it by a surgery which takes only a few minutes, and we can remove this. So that is why we, with the aid of Direct Aid and AlBasar International Foundation, are trying our best to address this issue of cataract here. And fortunately we get cooperation from the local people and the government hospital. So we have selected some patients for cataract surgery, are still in the process of screening and bringing more patients here and to operate them. My final words is that these projects were, when I have come here, and I was impressed by the beauty of your country, but I was also disheartened by the poverty and by the prevalence of blindness in this country. So we need to do many such projects, and we need to run many such missions. We should be coming here frequently with the cooperation of Direct Aid and AlBasar. We need to work a lot to alleviate the misery of common people here.
Mr. Kingsley Effa, the health service administrator at Wara Wara Hospital, acknowledged that the intervention was successful and that the organization came in handy to address the plight of the people, expressing his appreciation to the organization.
For us in OT region and Rara, for instance, we don't have ophthalmologists. And we saw this intervention very helpful because looking at the numbers and the participation, we had the numbers. And I would say that it's a successful intervention, which has helped our clients. And they are very, very happy and they are grateful to the NGO. When they come, because we don't have the doctor to take care of, we have to refer them. And most of them are poor people, very vulnerable. They don't have the money. So when you refer them to, say, Whole Teaching Hospital, money to go there even is a problem. Not talk of the treatment and the other intervention. And so when the thing is close to them and they have seen that this is very useful, in fact, looking at the cost of it, if assuming that one is going to pay for it, they can't pay. They can't pay at all. And it's very, very expensive to do that. Some area, they take about 3,000, 5,000 to go through this exercise. And it has been a free thing. They pay nothing. My final words is that, as like Oliver Twist, we are still asking them that at any time, at their convenience and they want to come, we are willing to support them. We are willing to receive them. We want to say that we are so grateful. And actually, they also promised to help us with other intervention, draw a borehole for us, a mechanized borehole. And so we are asking them that anything that they have to help, we are willing to receive it.
The senior nursing officer also expressed her appreciation towards this gesture.
We are grateful to Direct Aid and AlBasar for the privilege to work with them. This is our first time they've reach out to us. We are grateful to them for all that they are doing. We plead that they will continue to be doing it yearly so that we will reach out to our deprived communities and our people who need sight. And sight is life, as we all say, sight is life. So we are grateful unto them and we pray that Almighty Allah will continue to bless them.
Some community leaders have also expressed their appreciation to Direct Aid Ghana and AlBasar Foundation for their timely intervention.
This project is a very nice project. This project, we're waiting for it for a long time to come, and today we have it in our region. So we are very grateful. We thank Direct Aid, we thank AlBasar for coming into a region and helping those who cannot afford to do operation for their eyes.
It is one of its kind, a very great initiative that has come to help the people within OT region. and even outside OT region. Yes, the eye is the window to the body, and without the eye, it's like you are limited, or you are limited to a whole lot of things. And I want to appreciate AlBasar International Foundation in collaboration with Direct Aid Ghana for this wonderful help they've brought to our people in OT region. And like I said earlier, it is not just the people of OT region. We have people from Accra. Some also came all the way from the eastern region, Koforidua to be precise. And we just want to appreciate this donor partners for this wonderful initiative. Like leaders of the communities, we want this to be a continuous thing. We want it to be a continuous thing. We know just after you leave, a lot of people are going to come to us asking us about when you are going to come. So we want to plead that we have it, if it will be something that we are going to do yearly, or yes, yearly or maybe quarterly, if it's possible, so that at least we can be helping the people. It's not easy to do an eye surgery or cataract surgery. The amount involved is so huge, but AlBasar Foundation, together with Direct Aid, has come to make it so easy for our people, and we are so grateful. Aside the eye surgery, we are also looking at other interventions in terms of water, in terms of education, and even establishing some health facilities close to our people. Those are some of the challenges we face as a people. We have water challenge, we have health crisis and all that. So if we are able to get support in those areas, we know it is going to at least help our people. And we know Direct Aid has been helping us in terms of water and other interventions in terms of school and what have you, education and what have you. So we are looking forward to having a good encounter with AlBasar together with Direct Aid Ghana.
Direct Aid Ghana continue its quest towards elevating the lives of people who are in need.
HAFIZ TV, unique every day.